Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today we are going to see the way by which we can register ourselves for COVID-19 vaccinations. So what is the different way by which we can register it? This is phase 2 for the COVID-19 vaccination has been started from the 1st March 2021. 9 a.m. it has been opened, and every day up to 3 p.m. registration can be done. This phase 2 vaccination, phase 1 was for the a special group of people, that is healthcare sector people or some frontliners. Phase 2 is mainly for those people who is either 60-year-old or 60+-year-old, or anyone who is having between 45 to 59 year of age, but along with some kind of comorbidities, associated disorders they are having. So government has announced 20 different comorbidities. So I will show you that list also. So this is for these two group of people. So either anyone who is 60 plus age, or if it is 45 to 59, then he should have some kind of comorbidities. So beneficiaries, those who want to get vaccinated, they have to register themselves on the CoWIN portals. Now what is this CoWIN portal? We are going to see it, that one also. Beneficiary can register themselves either on the COVID portal, or they can register also on the Arogya Setu app. That I will show you, that one, both the things also. The portal and app will show you the vaccination centers near to your area. You can select the area where you are residing or where you want to get vaccinated. So that area you can see it, direction you can see it. So every person can register. You can book your slot on a particular time, particular durations for your vaccinations. And a medical certificate is compulsory for this comorbidity group of peoples. That certificate format is provided by the government. And in that case, a government ID proof list has been given, which declares that you are 60+-year-old. Vaccination is free for the government facility, and government has put a capping for the private hospital, that is 250 rupees per dose per vaccinations. What is this CoWIN app? CoWIN is a platform for the citizen of India to register themselves for COVID-19 vaccinations and schedule their vaccination schedule at the nearest vaccination centers. So this is the CoWIN app, which you can find out on the Google app portal, Google Play platforms. But this CoWIN portals, this is only means whatever Google app we are having, that is only for the administrator, not for the public. So only here, if you are going to download this app, you cannot register here by yourself. So then where we have to register it? For registration, we have to go to the web portal, that is cowin.gov.in. There, this is the portal, how it looks like. So on this portal, if you are going to say, if you go down website, if you pull down, there you can say find the nearest vaccination center. So here you can put your address, you can put the current locations. So you can select your current locations. You can select search by pin code, you can search by address. So whatever want to you can put it there. So once you have put there, select there, it will show you all the area, all the vaccination centers, either it will be private or it will be government, on the particular map. So you can drag it and you can select according to which particular vaccination center you want to go, and you can put it, you can find the direction also. Once you have selected that one, then you can you have to click on this one, register yourselves. Once you are going to click on this one, this type of window you are going to get it. So there you have to enter one mobile number. On this mobile number you are going to get OTP, one time password. So as soon as you are going to put your OTP, you are going to be registered. So it will be logged in, you will so it you can log off. There we have, after this login, this is the web page you are going to get it. There, for this photo ID proof, you have to select it, which ID proof you want to give. There different number of 7 different kind of ID proof government has authorized. That is, either it will be Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, pension passbook, NPR smart card, or voter ID card. So by drop down menu you can select which ID card you want to show it. For every ID card, like if you are selecting Aadhaar card, so you have to put your Aadhaar number, name as per Aadhaar card, then you have to select your gender and your year of date, your birth date as per the Aadhaar card format. Similarly, this is for all other ID proofs also. Like if you are selecting driving license, so similar to driving license, we have to give driving license number, we have to give our name as per driving license, gender and the year of birth according to the driving license. Similarly for PAN card, PAN card number, name, gender and year of birth. Once we have filled all those things, then we are going to you have to, after this one you have to go to register portal. Once you have filled that one, then you can select your vaccination slots, means where you want to get vaccinated. So there you have to select a state. From the drop down menu you can select a state. Once you are going to select a state, then from that state all the district will come here. So you can select the district there, then block, then pin code, and there you will have all the list, you can select it. So if a person if the person you are registered for a senior citizens, click on the register button. So by one mobile number, if you are going to register with one mobile number, with one 4 person can be with one mobile number 4 person can register for the vaccinations. So there are two options, either it will be for senior citizens or it will be for the person with the comorbidities. If it is senior citizen, directly you can register theirself there by clicking on the register button. If it is a person with the comorbidities, there is a statement that is, do you have any comorbidities, pre-existing medical conditions, then you have to select yes. If you are going to select yes, then you have to select from different things. So any person whose age is between 45 to 60 years of age, they need to carry a medical certificate, then go to the appointment. After the registration, a message is coming to your mobile phones with which you have already registered. So that is the registration on the CoWIN web portal, not on the CoWIN app, Google Play Store app. Second type of registration, second way of registration you can do through the Arogya Setu app, which has CoWIN app integrated. So this is the Arogya Setu app. There you can see CoWIN app. Once you are going to click on this one, after clicking on this one, you are going to get vaccination information, vaccination certificate and vaccination dashboard. After selecting this one, you have to click on this vaccination. There we are having register now or login, two button. So if you are going to register first time, you have to click on register now. So after registration, again it will ask you all the similar process. You have to give your mobile number. After mobile number, it will ask you for you will get OTP. After OTP, you will register it, and all the same all the remaining process will be the same as we have seen in the case of CoWIN web portal. This is the 20 list for the 20 comorbidities which is given by the government of India. So like heart failure with hospital admission in the past 1 year, post cardiac transplant, left ventricular assist device, that is LVAD, significant left ventricular systolic dysfunctions, a moderate or severe valvular heart disease, congenital heart disease or severe PAH or idiopathic PAH, coronary artery disease with past CBAG or PTSD or myocardial infarction or hypertension, diabetes on treatment, angina or hypertension, CT MRI documented stroke or hypertension, diabetes on treatment, pulmonary artery hypertension, diabetes on treatment, diabetes more than 10 years with complications, kidney, liver or hematopoiesis stem cells transplant recipient or on waste, end-stage renal function renal disorders, current prolonged use of oral corticosteroids, immunosuppressant drugs, decompensated cirrhosis, severe respiratory disease. So these are the 20 different disorders, 20 different comorbidities. So if anyone is having this type of comorbidities and their age is 45 plus up to 59 years of age, they can register themselves for the vaccinations. And this is the medical certificate which is you have to carry out. This certificate needs to be medical council registered number with the registered medical practitioner has to be signed there. So along with this one you can go there. For this vaccination, this is free of cost at the government facilities, government hospitals, and it will be paid at private facilities. So government has capped 250 rupees per dose in the private hospital. Whenever in the government hospital, it is free of cost. You can see a total cumulative list of all the hospitals where vaccination can be done. All the private hospitals considered there on these links. So you can get registered, you can book your slot according to your wish, according to your date, and you can go and get vaccinated. So this is all about for the how you can register for the vaccinations at COVID web portal. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.